So now everything would. I think everything is right now. I'm sorry, I just did something wrong. So let me look real quick. I'm sorry for the pings in the Discord. So there will be 2 pings. But yeah. So alright. So yeah, just another live stream in Unreal Engine. Today we're doing some animations. I don't know, I'm a little bored and I don't know what to do in my free time, so let's animate something and let's just do some conversations and I don't know. So yesterday we created animations for this nice weapon. I really like the animations. And yeah, so I also have my sniper rifle here, and I didn't have a equip and host animation for the sniper rifle. I only had the idle animation for the sniper. And in this stream I want to do the sniper a little more because yeah, I like snipers and yeah, the sniper needs equip and hoster and also a fire animation. And I want to do something with the idle animation again. So, yeah. Also in 20 minutes it will be the next first person animation tutorial. So, yeah. Let's go to our animation. Where is it? Oh, I get some ads on Spotify.
Der erste queere Osteuropa-Podcast. Ein Klick aufs Banner und los geht's.
So let's go to animations and let's just create some for this number. So also when you want, I don't know, if you have some ideas for tutorials or something. So I have some tutorials on my list. Some of you write a comment or said, hey, can you please do that in the future with some tutorials? Yeah, of course, I can do it. So maybe tomorrow or on the next days I will do the little watch on our arm, so you can see the watch will display the real time and it's also ticking, and yeah. So let's do some animations here. The music's so loud. Alright, so that's better. Hundred frames. Let's go here and let's move the weapon a little to the bottom. Yeah. So now I will keep it here. A little. And then let's add 140. So this is a little structure here. So let's add some little movement here. Let's look real quick. Yeah, so here it's a little movement. Hey, what's up? So yeah, maybe a little more at the end. Just a little. Okay, so now let's see how is it looking. I think, yeah, that's okay. So let's export it. What was the name? 750. Okay, so yeah. So let's re-import that real quick. Re-import. And now let's see. Yeah. This is looking good. I also have some little other movement in my character, so it's a little more, but it looks good. I like it. It looks realistic. So now we have to do a equip animation, because you can see here he's just, yeah, I don't know, it looks not that good. So I have a equip animation here, but I don't like the equip animation here because it's too slow, and also I figured out a better way how it looks more realistic. So let's do that in the sniper. Let's grab a first frame. Yeah. Start with the draw. Let's go ahead, like so. And now we want to like press it onto our shoulder, because yeah, in real life you do that, I think. You're not doing like so, you're just pushing it a little back and then like so, then a little forward. Ah, not that slow, it's too slow. Ah. I don't know. Maybe on this way a little. So let's maybe go with this. No, 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 not with this. Maybe a little. No. Yeah, it's too much, I think. So, and like so, a little faster. I don't know, that's not so good. I don't like that. So maybe push it more to the front, I think. Then a little back. Oops. I don't like that. No, that's not good. So let's export it. I don't like it, but maybe with the little additional yeah, screen shake or like breathing animation in my game, maybe it will look better with this. I hope so. So it's important. So now right arm weapons, the SCB. Oops. Draw. I love animating. It's so like you can do so much and you have such a creativity and so time remaining. You can do what you want and yeah. I like it. So like this. And now it's look. Oops, I forgot to set the animation here. Yeah. Compile save. Yeah, it's not that bad. You know what I mean? It's okay. It's okay. Not good, but okay. It's okay. But definitely better than that one. It's realistic. Realistic. It's more realistic. yeah, it's okay. Okay, so now let's do the whole stuff for it, and yeah, I have to do that. The one it's too slow. So let's do this, and I don't know, maybe later. And now let's do the host and also the fire for it.
Mein Name ist Nils Wokelberg und es wird höchste Zeit für die Nils Wokelberg Erfahrung.
Hallo, hier ist Joy Malani.
Ich bin Max. Mein Name ist Bettina Rust.
Idle.
Hallo, ich bin Heinrich Schader.
Hoster.
Mein Name ist Uke Bosse.
Hallo, hier ist Annika Decker. Hallo, mein Name ist Hanne Tenspy.
Hoster ist
Endlich den
easy.
Podcast gemacht, von dem ich immer geträumt habe.
Oh, Bestes.
Eine
Ja.
besondere Erfahrung.
Tipptopp.
Schnauzgeschwängert.
Lebensverändernd.
Tiefer Bedeutung.
Klick
Yeah,
jetzt auf
so
das Banner. Wir
let's
hören
copy this.
Wie fühlst du dich gerade? Hol dir ein Upgrade auf Spotify
I
Premium
did
und
it
streame
the
Musik
wrong
ohne
way.
Werbeunterbrechungen für jede Stimmung. Gönn dir 3 Monate gratis.
So
Jederzeit kündbar. Tippe auf
this
Banner,
looks
um
cool.
mehr zu
Thank you.
erfahren.
I've learned all basics for Unreal Engine 5. I want to work on shooter genre and learn more advanced stuff. Can you suggest a place for me to get started? So, what do you mean with a place to start? So, I have some tutorials on my channel. So I have currently a tutorial series how to create first-person animations, like I do it now. And yeah, also in the future I will upload more first-person tutorials. So yeah, if you want to start with first-person animations, I would really recommend you Blender. It's a free program and I love Blender. It's cool and you can do so much stuff with it. So yeah, I like it. I hope you like it too. So let's export. Alright. Whoops. And let's just implement it. the host. Okay, alright. SCB 750. Caps. 750 hoster. So let's start with the fire. When I'm done with this. Alright, so now we have our sniper here. Yeah, looks cool. You can holster it, and you can. Oh, there was the wrong weapon. You can holster it, you can draw it. Yeah. So now let's just create a fire animation, and yeah, let's create a fire animation. So it's a sniper, so it's has pretty much recoil, so let's start. Like this. Let's just hit some little shake after that. Yeah, that's good. Export it. Oh, that was fast. So import, and just let's create a montage for it. Save. Let's go into the graph. Let's copy that. Rename SCB. Oops. Oh no, it's lagging. Please don't crash. It crashed. Oh my god, it crashed. So let's restart. Oh, I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate it so bad. Alright, so yeah, so that's now. Is the animation still here? I hope so. Please, please, please. Yeah, it's here. So go to the character again. Are you currently working for a studio? So you mean I have some other people that I'm working with, or what do you mean? No, I'm working alone. I did everything by my own. So rename. game studio. I meant. No, I'm not. So let's play the animation here. Oh yeah, I have to. Of course, have to do it. Yeah, I hate the way I did this here. I created for every weapon a little thing, so yeah, I hate it. I don't want it now to do it now, but I have to. So let's rip my current project a little bit and just do it in another way, because that is not good what I did here. Child actor called weapon, and just leave the class now. So much in here, I hate it. Alright, so how do we do that? Grab our weapon, get child actor. Cast to weapon base. Are you gonna add a slide movement mechanic? Maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe I will do a tutorial for it. I don't know.
Der Duft nach Maiglöckchen, frisch geschnittenem Gras und dem Samsung Galaxy S23 oder Galaxy A54 für nur 1 Euro. Das ist der Frühjähr-Deal von Vodafone. Im günstigen Mobilpaket bekommst du statt 12 GB sogar 24 GB Datenvolumen pro Monat und sparst jetzt mindestens 320 Euro.
So, oh, okay, so let's start with the bayonet.
Together we can. Vodafone.
Das größte Problem war die fehlende Erfahrung unsererseits, beim Gründen und dass wir das Ganze
Then
falsch
we have some other
eingeschätzt
errors
haben. Auf der
here.
anderen Seite haben wir das Produkt so kompliziert entworfen,
Let's
dass es einfach
let's
deutlich mehr Zeit
redo
gedauert
this.
hatte. Wir haben
So
den steinigeren und komplizierteren Weg gewählt,
let's
haben dafür aber auch die
just
Rechnung kassiert.
unplug this pin and let's start with a switch on item enum. Yeah, so right item state. So or how do you do it? No, let's do it in the other way, in a better way. So let's go into our weapon base. And let's add a variable and call it attach socket. This will be a name. And now so let's delete this. And let's add a function and call it weapon attach. And let's get our weapon reference and then get the attach socket. Oh, I have to compile. Attach socket. What was the name? Attach socket. Do I have compiled here? Attach socket. Why? Base weapon VP. No, I cannot get the variable. Do I have? I think. Oh yeah, yeah. I did something wrong, I think. Or no. I don't know. No. Attach tag, is it private or something? No. It's not private. Let's start and fix the errors here. So the weapon visibility I can rip because this is so freaking dumb how I did this here. Get attach. No, I don't get the variable here. Maybe just another cast. Get attach socket. No. Why does that work? Oh my god. So the weapon reference is base weapon. Why? Let's reopen it. I cannot find the error. I hate it. Where's my freaking variable? Can I get the other variables? Yes, I can. What? Just like nothing here. I just do another cast, maybe then. Maybe I have to set the weapon. Oh, I have two base weapons here. Alright, okay, so maybe this is the error. So let's base weapon. I think I casted the wrong base weapon. Cast to base weapon. I'll start up with your tutorial today. I want to learn so much, but YouTube tutorials aren't that clear and others don't explain as much. So I started like 2 years ago with Unreal Engine and I only watched YouTube tutorials, and yeah, I liked it, so I did everything with YouTube tutorials, and now I learned many things about Unreal and about programming and animating. I don't know, maybe at the beginning it's just a little confusing or just a little weird, but I don't know. Get attach socket. So here it is. That was the wrong cast. Yeah. So let's delete the weapon reference again. Which channel would you suggest? What I want to say, the best Unreal Engine tutorial dude is Matt S. Plant. Wait, let me open up his channel. Here. Matt S. Plant. I watched so many tutorials from him and I liked him. And yeah, they are so freaking good, and this was my Unreal Engine start, so I started with those tutorials with Unreal Engine. So yeah, I like him. Of course you can watch my tutorials, but I'm not sure. Maybe not. So now let's go on with the weapon attach. Thank you. Yeah. No problem. So get attach socket. And what? Attach component to component. Socket name here. The target will be the weapon. I will complete the tutorial today. Every episode. Whoa. Okay. So I'm not done with the tutorial series. So today was the last episode I've uploaded, so I'm still not done, and I will upload in the next few days more. But yeah, I hope you like them. I hope so. So this is so simple, and this is so simple and just save me so much work. And also yeah, so when I group item here, yeah, like this, and then I set weapon, set character class 2, and then select from the right item state. Whoops. The class. So none will be none. Bayonet, I didn't have anything, I think. So now let's select just the blueprint. I'm sure I will love your tutorials, and obviously I'll be watching your channel. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it, man. So yeah, now this is good. This is also good. And yeah, compile, save. So now let's start and just change the visibility to check everything. Yeah, so now we didn't have any weapon, but when I equip it, I still have no weapon. Okay, so I did something wrong, I think. Yeah, I don't have a weapon, and I got many errors. So let's start and delete, and we get so much errors, I think. Yeah, many errors, but let's fix all of them. Whoa, okay, so here the weapon. So here we just set grip. Okay, so how do I do that? Why do I... okay, because I have to get the reference. So set the grip here. But the thing is, when I set the grip here... no, it's okay, it's okay. G... the barrel type silencer. Then next, the scope. Oh yeah.
Am 14. Mai ist
And here
Muttertag.
is
Du
the
suchst noch das passende
aim.
Geschenk. Taufe einen echten Stern mit sterntaufe-deutschland.de. Einfach auf
So let's just
www.sterntaufe-deutschland.de gehen und einen
on
echten Stern
the
zum
scope
Muttertag
type here.
taufen. Erhalte ein Geschenkszertifikat und lass deine Mama am Himmel strahlen. Besuche www.sterntaufe-deutschland.de. 10% Rabatt mit dem Code Spotify.
Again and again.
Wissen Sie, wie Medikamente entstehen oder klinische Studien funktionieren? Bei Charles Hoch 2, dem Podcast von Pfizer, erfahren Sie mehr. Hier geht es um Einblicke in die Pharmaindustrie und um Ausblicke, beispielsweise um die Gefahr, wenn Antibiotika nicht mehr wirken. Oder wie Pfizer mit
What?
Institutionen aus der
Oh,
Wissenschaft
it is
zusammenarbeitet.
the wrong
Hören Sie rein und abonnieren Sie
wrong
Charles Hoch
one.
2, den Podcast von Pfizer Deutschland, bei Spotify oder auf www.pfizer.de.
Okay, so just get scope type. Get scope type. I hope I don't do some things wrong. So now, no errors. Oh, still some errors in the enum graph. So, or the HK. Oh, for the grip. So, just character reference, get weapon reference, and just ask for the grip. Yeah. So still some errors. Here again the grip. And more errors. The grip again. Alright, so yeah, compile, save. And we still have no weapon, but now we still have no weapon. But I can switch scopes, I think. No, I can't. Oh, so much errors. Why? Ah, because the weapon is not set. Okay. So, yeah. Let's set this real quick and then I'm done, I think. So, the weapon attach, we have to call the weapon attach first. Construction script. Weapon attach, I can delete this shit. Weapon attach again here. Also, I can delete the weapon visibility. Yeah. This is for the collapsing nodes. Meta human retarget. Static mesh. What do you mean with static mesh? So weapon attach, and also in the event tick we need the weapon attach. Alright, so so now let's go ahead and I think we still get an error because here, not here, here we have to set the child actor class to to something. None. And then you select it. So let's have a look. I don't know if it works. No, so it's not. Oh, so here's our pistol, and it's quite big because it's not at the position we want, because we have to set, obviously we have to set our where is it our the hell, where is it? Is this the wrong one? This is not the right one. This is the wrong one. So let's set it in the other. Here, the attach socket to SCB 750 underscore socket. Then in the revolver air 8 socket. RD300 let's go socket. Okay, so let's have a look. No, it's still not working. Okay, so wait, let me look real quick. It's the weapon here. The weapon is not here. This is not the weapon. The weapon is not here, so I still did something wrong. I want to set, when I equip it, I want to set the class to RD300 based on the item state. So let's do it like this and just look if it's now working. No, still nothing works, and so many errors because the attached to component, there's an error. Because we have to do something. Weapon is valid. Alright, so is valid. Here, compile, save. So wait, we still get errors at the attached component because at the beginning let's set the red item set to none at the beginning. This is the error. No, it's still, I do nothing, it's still okay. So weapon, let's get the weapon child actor, and if this is valid. Yeah, so now we don't get any errors. And now we get errors. Because get attached socket. So let's not do this in the begin play. So let's do this in the event tick. So it's updating. Alright, so we get errors because I think because I pressed the left key. Yeah, because I wanted to shoot. But now we don't get any errors, but we don't see a weapon. So I don't know. Maybe I did something wrong with the socket name. So I don't know. Maybe fix this later because I want to eat something now. Let's copy the name. RD300 socket. Oh, there it is. Wow. And we get some errors again because I wanted to shoot, but we will do the shoot thing later. So let's just have a look at the other things. The sniper is working. This is not working. This is working. And this is not working. So for the... let's do another branch here. So if... wrong name it was, yes. That was the wrong name. Is not equal to none. So because I'm sure I will forget it to set the socket name sometimes. So let's print here a string. You have to set the attached socket name in the weapon, you idiot. And let's spam this then. Oh no. Yeah, now you can see I forgot to set the name. So here it is. A 416 socket. Compile, save. Yeah, it's working. Alright. Alright, so yeah. I just eat something real quick. So see you later in like 10 minutes or something. So yeah.
Wusstest du, dass du bei IKEA nicht nur beim Preis sparen kannst? Als IKEA-Family-Mitglied sparst du auch Zeit und die Versandkosten gleich mit. Denn wir verschicken jetzt ab einem Bestellwert von 70 € alles, was als Paket versendet werden kann, kostenlos zu dir. Nur im Mai. Mehr auf ikea.de/Paketlieferung.
Hey, ich bin Antonia Franz von der Süddeutschen Zeitung. Und in unserem Spotify Original Podcast Geschichte Daily reisen wir mit euch durch die Zeit. Wir wollen dabei Themen, die uns heute beschäftigen, besser verstehen. Seit wann gibt es Terrorismus? Wie hat sich Propaganda verändert? Und warum betrinken wir uns eigentlich schon immer? Geschichte Daily hört ihr Montag bis Freitag nur hier auf Spotify. Jetzt klicken und direkt die neueste Folge anhören.
So I'm back. Welcome back. So yeah, I'm sorry. So yeah, now let's do some things. We can change also now the scope here. We can attach a silencer to our sniper rifle. We can attach grips in the fire mode. Everything you want. So we get still arrows because of the firing. So let's change that. So let's look at the fire function. So here you can see it's just the fire. Oh, okay, so yeah, I did it like this. So the delay, the montage. Alright, so let's start fixing it with our HK. So not the HK reference, just the weapon reference here. The weapon reference again. So, oh, we have to only, yeah, we can just, yeah. Okay, so I think we can also do this in only one function. So let's create another function, call it weapon fire. And let's copy everything. Weapon fire. Alright. So Now we have this, and yeah, some things. Oh no, we can't do custom events here. Oh, okay. So yeah, how do we do that then? Then let's delete this and just go ahead and go to the replication graph and paste our fire here. So paste this. Whoops. Let's change the name to fire, weapon fire, weapon fire, how do you call it? Event. Check item state, name here, we get the weapon reference, get overlay. Oh no. Alright, so we don't have overlay state here, so let's. Oh, the weapon type of the weapon type, okay. Get the weapon type. Oh, okay, so. Alright. So the weapon type is something different. Do we have the. No, so let's create another variable, call it the item state, and it's an item, and like so. Get weapon, not the weapon type, how do I call it? Item state, alright. Get item state. Here. No delay, then let's weapon reference. And let's create some new variables here under the animations graph. So let's rename the fire montage to weapon fire montage, and the reload also to the weapon reload montage. Let's duplicate it and call it the arms fire montage. Compile save. And for the SCB, it's animation SCB. Fire here. Yeah, that. So we play the get arms fire montage and we play it. Then we draw a weapon trace. We can also change something here later with the socket, the range, and the bullet spread, but later. Then also the fire event, the camera shake, the delay. Whoops. Alright, compile, save. And now for the fire, whoa, okay. Can't do a delay here, so now let's delete this function. The function is trash, so yeah. Create another event. And so let's copy this Let's create another event and call it weapon. What is the other name? Weapon fire event, and this is the weapon fire event with the fire mode. Fire mode. So this is just single fire. When you press it, it will fire it, and this is when your weapon has multiple fire modes. Weapon fire event. Like so. Like so, like so. And then this. So we have our cell fire here, the full auto and the single fire. So let's go ahead and the tech graph, delete everything and grab our fire, or just look now if we have any errors without shooting. Just join to Discord. Oh, nice. Thank you. So when you have some questions, you can also ask me on Discord, or yeah, you can meet new people when you want that. So now this looks good. Yeah, no errors. Oh. Ah yeah. Oh yeah. Can equip this while you're aiming. So let's unequip and equip it again. Oh, okay. So I see a little problem here, because we like have to like save the scope and the silencer things in our weapon, because when we change the weapon to like the revolver, and then we're gonna equip our sniper, and then we change the scope, go back to our pistol or a revolver, and go back to our sniper, it will be other, so it will be like in the on we get some errors too. So for the relative location, I'm not sure. Alright, so let's do that. So what are we going to have to do is maybe we can do it in a variable, so we create variables for it, or yeah, I'm not sure what is the best way. So let's go into the function. Here it is. And can we set class? No. So So let's create maybe some variables for it. Let's create it in a structure. Because I don't want hundreds of variables on my character. I just want one. So data, add a structure. And call it weapon saved underscore structure. And we just need to save the scope. Which scope element? I have to delete the other thing here. I have it double. So let's delete this. I don't need that anymore. This is old. Oh, it takes long, bro. Yeah, just wait. Wait a little bit. Yo, it takes so freaking long. Alright, so yeah. Okay, I see we get some. Oh, bro. Oh my god. I hate my freaking life. So we can't delete that. So yeah, just say scope enum here. And the grip. And grip enum, just grip anything. The barrel. Barrel. We also have to save the paint mode. Then paint mode, yeah, the color. The color is a linear color. Then the skin texture. Oh yeah, texture. Texture UV scale. Just a float. The fore end and the metalness. Alright. So maybe no, not that. So let's look if you have to do some other things. No, I think. Oh, the weapon. No, not the weapon type. Not this. Not this. No, the delay. No, not the delay. Okay, so these are all the variables we need to save. So let's add it to our character, the weapon saves, just weapon saved structure, and let's make this an array, and like compile and add some array elements. So we have now 6 weapons. I'm gonna add 5 because we don't need the bayonet anymore. So we don't have to change anything here, we just need to add them. Okay, so let's just create a function. The weapon saves. Weapon save, weapon save, just weapon save, weapon save. So grab our array element here, and what you basically do is I just create a comment here and say the order, and the order is name order. The order is 1 is the HK416. The second is the revolver. Third is sniper. No, not the sniper, the Walter P99. 4 ESB 750. Oops. The fifth is the RB300. Alright. So that is the order right now. We can change it later. So let's set array element here, and we say if check item state is not equal, not boolean, is not nothing, then we're gonna set from the index here select, not select int, select, and this from the right item state. Okay, so set this to -1 because we don't need this. We can set it to 0, but it's not. So we have to set this to -1. So the HK, no, we can set it to 0 because oh no, it starts with 0 here. So yeah, let's rename the order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so set those to -1, those two, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now the item here, so this we split, or no, we just do it like so and break it and make weapon save structure, and we could just get our weapon reference and we get those things. So the scope, get scope type. Oh, okay, so it's in another type. So let's set the scope element to this one, save it. Yeah. Get grip. also the wrong one. The barrel. Let's move this a little bit here. Paint mode. Ah, it's the wrong one. Paint mode. Yeah, that's right. And the color. The skin texture. The texture UV scale. Get 4 and oh, that's the right one. And get metalness. Alright, so that is everything, and now in this function we can save the things for our weapon, and now we create another function and call it weapon update. So we basically just copy this first, so you have the order here and everything. And we don't set the array element, we just get a reference, also from this one, and then we go ahead and set them from our weapon here. So let's split this, or no, let's break this. Break this and delete this. And from the weapon we're gonna set now everything here. So set scope type. Set the barrel type. Oh, the grip is the next, so set grip. Set barrel type. Set paint mode. Do some rewrote notes here. Set color. Set skin texture. Set UV scale. Alright. Cool. forend. And the metal as well. I'm done now. Yay. So now I have to call the function. So basically we just go to the equip item graph and we just start, and yeah. So first of all, what are we doing is we get our weapon save and our weapon update. So let's start with the weapon update and then with the weapon save. So yeah, let's look if that's working. I hope it works. So let's start and grab our sniper rifle. So use a sniper rifle. Let's get a good scope, maybe this. Get our I don't know, a revolver, and also do some things. No, it's not working. It's not working. Why? Yeah, I got some errors. Bro, why? Why? Set the scope type. Why does it? Why the arrows? Why? Set the scope type. Set the array element. So there's an error. I think we have to do a little weapon get child actor is valid. And also we have to do this in the update. So some errors. So when we set those values here, so I don't know. I don't know what to do. Why? Why the errors? I'm unsure. The weapon reference. So we want to set those values. I only want to set those values, bro. Update and save. So we also get some errors when we want to save it. Ah, bro. I hate my life. I don't want to save the things here. So maybe let's only start here with the weapon update. No, with the weapon save. Start with the weapon save here. Because maybe it's not working because we haven't saved anything yet. Alright, so it's still not working. It keeps crashing. We have 4 elements here. 4 of those. Row. What the fuck, bro? I'm thinking, why? So we change to this. Bro, I am alive. I'm not alive right now, so maybe when we start and when we just go ahead and update it first, it will just, when we play, not has this scope. It will just be like with nothing, but it has a scope, so it's not working. It's not working properly, so yeah. We get our weapon reference, and when we equip our weapon, so let's look. When we equip our weapon, we set the child actor class. STB, we set it to STB here, to our SCB 750. We set the class to this, and then we update the weapon. So yeah, check, everything would work, and then with the select, here would select the 4. No, the 3. And then you will get the values of it, and we'll just break this and set it, but it's not working. Bro, am I stupid? Bro. Let's have a look. Maybe we get this error because, so let's set this to 1,000,000 or something, because maybe we get this error because it's going to the minus, but I don't know, but because I think it's not getting called when we do this. No. Oh, bro. Do we get some errors when we do nothing? No. Just when we equip it. And we get so many. So for every variable. Alright, so... Access, I'm trying to send to none. So... maybe we have to do the weapon saves. So iron sight, none, classic, color will be black or white, texture none, 1, 4 and none. So now, let's just save it here in this, so we don't get any, don't have it to do like 1,000,000 times. 1, none, and save. Yeah. Compile. Let's save. Please. No. I hate my fucking life, man. Nah, bro. I think I'm gonna stop here, and I don't know, maybe I just look for the error off stream, but it was a long stream, and yeah. So tomorrow will be a new tutorial, and I don't know. Have a good day. Bye bye.